Hello guys, welcome to Docker's Craft Homes. Thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate you. This is a papermache bowl that was covered with recycled rice bag wraps. The rice bag that you eat, that you use in your kitchen, yeah. It was abandoned for years because it didn't turn out great. I didn't like how it turned out, so I just kept it. It looks so raggedy. It seems unsalvageable, but today let's get to work and see how it's going to turn out. First, I sprayed the rice bag ropes, except the hands. It's super strong after this year, so I'm not trying to change anything. I'm just trying to improve the framework without changing anything. Please tag along with me so you can see the wonderful results at the end. I couldn't believe it myself. So this is the rice bag, all washed and bleached. I first loosened it, then I washed it with soap, detergent and then I bleached it. Fold it into 2 parts and cut through, just like so. Then I folded it diagonally and cut through again so that we can get 4 partitions of it. I will advise that you use the Indian balsamic bag because it's more light-weighted and easily manipulated, or else cutting it is going to be hard for you. I got 4 copies of this and also partitioned the bowl accordingly into 4 places. The idea is to fit into each partition and have a remainder. That means they have to overlap with each other so that when it's finally glued, it doesn't fight for room, it naturally relaxes on the bowl. I take them out, place them on the table and arrange them as I want them to be glued, just like I placed them in the bowl ahead of time. I then join them together with hot glue gun. This is so easy guys, like I finished this in a matter of days, in just 2 days, and that's because I'm actually busy. If I have dedicated the whole day to it, I guess this will just be a day work. So I glued them like so. The gluing pattern is outside in, meaning the part that faces up will be glued from outside in. I don't know how to describe it, but just watch the process. We have to glue them like so that when you turn it over, it faces inside and not on the outside that is seen. Don't worry, tag along and you'll see how it's done. We do it for all the 4 partitions, gluing it from outside in. I enjoyed making this craft because it's so relaxing, it's so therapeutic, and I wish I can do it again, but I don't have the strength to make another Papermache bowl right now because I have a lot of tasks that are yet to be done. It was so therapeutic. Craft is a healing skill. Like everyone should get it. Crafting helps you clear your mind and connect to your creative self. So I trim off all the excess like so. I trim them all off to give space for it to relax on the bowl, because the idea is to make it malleable and manageable. uh, you know if that makes sense. You will see what I mean in few minutes. I am not planning to stick it to the bowl, so this design is unique and makes the bowl easy to manage while in use, and also durable, because in my community we don't make crafts just for fun. We make usable and reusable craft items that are durable and can stay for years without having any issues. Now I'm through with the process. It's time to attach it to the bowl. So right now I'm going to go off the mic, but I will still attach a few captions here and there to get you informed of what is going on. Right now I'm adding a weight to keep it still while I glue it to the bowl, but I'm logging off from the voiceover so you can watch the remaining part quietly. See you later at the end of the video. Thank you for tagging along, and do not forget to like and subscribe so that YouTube can recommend my videos to more audience. This work is not easy, but we do it because we love it. So your support is going to go a long way to encourage us to do more. See you at the end of the video. Cheers. We have come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you love this result. Can you see? Can you see how cute and sturdy this bowl looks like? It's giving everything it ought to give. I love, love, love this bowl. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you can go revamp all your old bowls and stuff. Now we have come to the end of the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.